But we're getting off the ship today in Mazatlan, Mexico. So in Mazatlan, you have to ride a shuttle to the port gates. And that's what we're going to do. I guess we're going to go over there and ride a shuttle to the port gates. Won't that be fun? Today we're going to try to walk the blue line, which we've heard about but never done. And I'm in shadow like crazy, huh? Not that you need to see my face, but... So we're now on the shuttle. This is what it looks like. They won't let you walk. You've got to ride the shuttle. Tram, whatever you call it. Give away a piece of history. As you can see, Mazatlan is a container port. Sort of like San Pedro. So we're getting off the shuttle, and there's a little shopping center here. Some stores, a restaurant or bar. I think we just got sprayed with water, I hope. Got sprayed with something. This is to take your temperature. And last time we were here, they made us do that. But now they're not making us do that. So, see the shopping center? If you've watched our other Mazatlan videos, you've seen this already. Although I don't know if we've ever come in through that door. We usually come in through the door over there. And then there's outside. To the city. Free tourist information from her. Blue line.
Blue line is right.
We are here. We're going to go there. And that's the cathedral. What's the name of it?
What?
The cathedral.
What's a cathedral? Is the name?
It's called the cathedral?
Oh.
Okay.
Well, okay. So this is the outside area. And you can take a picture with the Beatles. Check out the QR code at the Liverpool store. That's a store here in Mexico. I don't know where it is. It's in Mazatlan. In Puerto Vallarta, it's right across the street from the port, next to Walmart, sort of. Anyway, so this is it. And I'm going to show you this sign because this is the taxi prices. So, if you're interested in how much a taxi is, it's that. Now there's gates here and there's gates down there. And that's a Pamplona or Pulmonia. 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 Right there. All we gotta do is get to it. Welcome to Mazatlan, it says. We just need to cross behind this guy. Stay out of the way of the bicycles. And cross the street. Hi there. Follow the blue line. Follow the blue line. Follow the blue line. Follow, 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 follow. Linea azul. Blue line. Blue line. Follow the blue line. So, let's see how it goes. Right. Blue line. So we've come to an intersection of streets, and you see there's a blue line there, and there's a blue line there, and a yellow line. But I think, I think we should cross the blue line here. Blue line? Línea azul? Ah, well, we went wrong. Yeah. So, I made a wrong turn there. But I will probably cut that out of the video. Oh, I see, it turns at that intersection. So we walk down from there. The ship is just right around the corner there. And the blue line goes this way. And the policeman told me so. So here's another blue line sign. You can see it on the road there.
I said that sounded like a
Oh, in the trees. Lots of birds around. Hear that? I'm thinking we're going to turn down here. Those are doves, I hear. So we came all the way down, and the blue line turns. Now, if you want to go to Lighthouse Faro, that way. Look for that in one of our videos. I believe we're headed to the Centro Historical Center. And there's a lot of people on the blue line today. Got 2 ships in port. 2 fairly big ships. So, a lot of people here. So we're crossing the street, and if you look right there, that's the Discovery Princess down at the end of that street. Right over there is a yellow plumeria, all in bloom. My plumerias don't even have any leaves on them yet, because this is only March. But good for them. We've been walking for a little ways now down this street here. My watch says we've walked 3/4 of a mile. But that was from the ship, right? Although we rode for part of that. I don't think it counted that though. Anyway. So it's a very peaceful part of town, and apparently well protected. Came from there, of course. We're getting into an area of businesses now. Janet said so far we've only walked through residential. Look. Oh yeah. And the Discovery Princess. But now it's getting to be more and more shops and businesses. So we're getting into a more trafficy area too. And the blue line's still here. And they're still here. I think it's going to turn left up here, but I'm not sure. Yeah, for all your pharmacological needs. Another police woman. And they're crossing. Do we cross? Aye. All right. Crosses. Blue line, Centro Historico, blue line ending. Wait a minute. No more blue line, that's it. Okay, so the blue line ended. We came straight down this street for a long way, and we're gonna head straight still, because it says the Historic Center is up there. I will say, on the map in the cruise terminal, you know, the tourist information, I think it showed the blue line going a lot further. Let's do this. But I think they had it drawn here. Maybe they just haven't put the line down, so they say it's not here. But here's Centro Historic again. So the sidewalk is a little wavy. See that? It's up and down, up and down. You could find Mexico here somewhere. And now it looks like we're going to walk through a temporary building or something. Hi. We're going to get a temperature check. So we had to use hand sanitizer there to get in. This must be a tour. I don't know if it's from the ship or not. One of the ships. This is an old building. Teatro Angela Peralta. And this is the town square, I think, because I remember it from one time before walking this way. All right, so tell me if you see any giant ice cream cones. I heard they are here, or I don't know, ballet, or men with tiny heads. You see any of those anywhere? Oh yeah. Anyway, let's walk on. Just so you know, this might be the end of the blue line. Hi. I believe at this point we're going to make a turn, and I'm going to get out a map and take a look. So there's people selling stuff, and you should know that 50 pesos is only $2.50, like. So doing some karaoke here or something. Oh, look at that. Whatever that is. So we walked by all those and we came to this place. Last time we were in this square, none of this was here. It was just a big flat area. And the cathedral is somewhere nearby. So I'm going to try to find it by going this way. And I guess they're going to have a show tonight.
Taxi cab, you guys?
No.
All right.
So we came from over that way, came up here, crossed over here. We're going to go up this way, and the cathedral is a couple blocks that way. So we're going to try to get to it. Should be fun. Some nice old buildings here, though. Oh, it's a face. Thought it was a hollow drum. So there's the square. That's the road we came up straight. See the ice cream?
Blue line.
It ended back there, didn't it?
And
Yeah.
here.
I'm looking for the cathedral.
Oh, this way.
So up that way and over, right?
2 blocks to the right, 2 blocks, and in the left is the Square Plaza and the cathedral.
Thank you.
Gracias.
My pleasure. Do whatever you have to do, and maybe later if you need our help, more than glad to help you in this.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
So the square is right there. We're crossing one street. Looks like a one-way street. I don't know. Sort of a mix of old and new here. And Kodak. So we got to this street, and I don't know the names of the streets because they're not posted, but it's very busy. And there's the cathedral. I can see the top of it. So we're gonna go down and then up to the front. There it is. See, this is like a net. I think maybe to keep birds out. What do you think? So they've got some statues here. Some massive doors. More statues. An arch up there. Haha, and Janet. So we're going to take a little walk around, see what's on the other side. I'll bet it's still a church. Oh, look at that. Let me get in the shade. There. That's a little easier on the eyes, huh? Oh, I see a bell. I wonder when they ring it. Look closely, there's a stained glass window in there. The windows are open too. Not stained glass on this side though, or you can't tell. Anywho, we're gonna stop off in Liverpool and see the Beatles. By the way, this is a Liverpool store.
Chips and then other stuff in it.
Well, and they have 3 flavors of popcorn too.
Okay, they just
And salsa picante and salsa michelada. And clothes. And watches. And upstairs. Hi. So that's Liverpool. Maybe you want to do some shopping. Liverpool has guitars. Free online lessons. And keyboards. And ukuleles. But they're up out of reach, see that? And loud music playing, so I gotta get out of here. In the Liverpool store, if you go up both sets of escalators to the 3rd floor, there's bathrooms, public restrooms. So don't forget that, and don't forget about the loud music either, because you might want to listen to it someday. And appliances. Maybe you want to bring the stove home from your cruise. Area. Lots of them. So there's the cathedral. It's not at the end of the blue line. You gotta go a little further. But that's the end of our trip for today. We're gonna head back to the ship by going back up to the blue line. So Gareth
and Janet.
saying
Bye from
Mazatlan, Mexico.
Port Mikey's out.
See you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye-bye. We came across this sign that points clearly straight. But the cruise terminal is that way. So I'm not sure what they're getting at down there. At least this is where the blue line goes. Did you catch one?
Almost. Oh, they dig. Is that her? Dude, they dig. I just took those. Dude, these homies are going.
You just gotta be fast.
Can you grab them? Yeah. Here, grab them from the back while they're eating out of our hands. Oh, there's one on me.
No, Will.
Almost.
Not for pigeon camp today. No catching pigeons in Mazatlan, Mexico. And they're really not full of disease, you know.